You might be wondering, what type of equipment do I need to start shooting video for my YouTube channel? The short answer is it's not much. You actually might have everything that you need. In today's video, we're going to actually go through all the main things that you need to start shooting phenomenal YouTube videos. Hey guys, my name is Sarah Allen. Welcome to my channel. In this channel, we talk all about helping real estate agents attract their ideal clients on YouTube. So if that information is useful and interesting to you, consider subscribing as well as hitting the notification bell so you get our up-to-date content. So let's get right into this topic. Like I said, starting out on YouTube, you really don't need much equipment. I think the temptation is going to be, okay, I need to purchase and, buy all the expensive equipment. And then when I buy the expensive equipment, these videos are just going to magically shoot themselves. And the truth is that's just not the case, right? So what I would recommend is really trying to figure out what you already have. So I'm going to go over some of the main components of things that you need. And again, you might already have all of these items, so you could start shooting videos today. So the first thing I want to talk about is lighting. So lighting is very, very important. It's very important that, when people are looking at your videos, they can see you, they can see your face or whatever you're shooting, right? It's not going to be like a dark room. And the good news about this is light is free. So, you can really shoot by a window, you can turn all the lights on. Typically that will work. Something that I like to use because the area that I shoot in is a little bit darker is a ring light. And, it comes with a tripod, and mine was like $30. I can put a link down in the description, but it's really, really inexpensive and easy to set up and will give you some great light that you need. But again, if you have a nice window that, you get plenty of light, just set your laptop up in front of the window so you're facing it, so the light is coming onto your face. Or, maybe you're shooting some content at a property, just make sure all the windows are open and the lights are on. And typically that'll be okay quality for just starting out on your YouTube channel. So the second thing is sound. This is another thing that's quite important because you want to make sure that people can hear what you're saying. So here, I shoot a lot of my videos with an external camera that's linked up to my computer, and it's a Logitech. It's about $40 and it picks up great audio. So that's something that I use on my laptop. I know a lot of MacBooks have good speakers already installed on the laptop, so you can just check your laptop to see if it works. If you're looking to shoot video on your iPhone, you can actually purchase a very inexpensive lavalier mic, which is just a little mic that has a cord, and you can clip it to your shirt or your jacket. They typically run around $30. So for $30, you can have phenomenal sound quality. Like I said, you might have great sound quality on your existing laptop. So make sure to check that out. Number 3, okay, so let's talk about the camera. So, cell phones these days have amazing cameras. And, even if you own a professional camera and you bought it several years ago, your more up-to-date iPhone probably has better video quality. So, an iPhone is a phenomenal thing to use as you're just starting out on your YouTube channel. I use my iPhone all the time. Again, you can use a camera from your laptop, or you can purchase, like I did, like a really cheap Logitech external camera. It has a great little screen or a lens, as well as the ability to pick up audio. So that's what works for me really well. Yeah, so that's really for your camera. So hopefully that you already have a smartphone or potentially a laptop that you can utilize. And really the last thing is, depending on whatever you use to shoot your video, you want to make sure your camera is stabilized. And this is really important because if you don't have a stabilizer, your videos are going to look like the Blair Witch Project. Your head's going to be bobbing up and down, and people are going to get like car sickness from watching your videos. So a free way to do that is to just prop up potentially your iPhone on a stack of books. That can work. The camera on your laptop should be pretty stable already, so that's also another thing that you can focus on. So all of that is basically free. You want to start getting into shooting, maybe shooting at a property or or, maybe you're out and about and you want to talk about a local restaurant or something fun that you did in your city, I'd really recommend getting a gimbal. And a gimbal, all it is like a fancy word for a stabilizer. So it's a device and you just put your phone in there and it really just makes sure that the picture is stabilized, and as you move, the video isn't moving up and down, up and down. So just to recap, to start shooting videos on YouTube, you need lights, you need sound, you need a camera, and you need something to stabilize your camera. And so, like I said, you might have all of those things already available to you in your home right now. So you don't have excuses for not shooting your videos. So now you have a better idea of what you need to start shooting videos on YouTube. But at this point, you might be feeling overwhelmed. Like, how do I get started really shooting consistent content? I know that this is something that's important. So in this video right here, I actually go over how to get started and how to be consistent as you're going about shooting consistent content on YouTube. So watch this video and I'll see you over there. Thanks.